but there was nothing to see. But I guarantee you, right now, at this very moment, there is something to see there. Because you can see the weather around the outside. There's a lot of weather around, a lot of clouds. And right in the center of that cloud, there's a print that would be familiar to people that know the moon surface. If you know the lunar surface, you would be able to see something right here in this spot. Because I've done it before. I got it up here in my list up quite a ways up. I did this a long time ago. I saved a nice picture of the weather that they slipped up and showed one day. I have a lot of pictures actually where they show the whole area up here, the weather. This isn't always like this, but whenever there is weather showing the lunar surface, a print of the lunar surface, they will put this here. And you don't have to believe me. I've been doing this every day for 3 years. Every day I work on this, okay? Every day. I know what I'm talking about. Does this look like the shape of Antarctica to you? Does it have these kind of... Does it look like that? No, it does not look like that because the South Pole shows the same shit. Alright, look at the weather patterns around the outside. They don't show any clouds here, hardly ever. Hardly ever. Hold on a second, my alarm's going off. Thank you. Hardly ever do they show any clouds right here in the spot. So, you see this edge here, you see this edge here. They're doing this, I mean, what? People say the satellites are down. That's bullshit. That is such bullshit. See how that is? It goes all. Then they even got it going out to here too. And then I want to show you the weather right here that I made my last video about was right here. Look at this. 10 days later, you still got this circular pattern right here. And actually, what I did is I saved that image and I put it with the other one that I showed in my last video. And right here shows something. Anyways, it does show something. Let's see if I can find it here. Something that could be very... Okay, that's the original picture that I showed in the last video, right? Pretty sure. This is the one from today, and the picture of the moon right here. Okay, so see that spot right there where Kepler is, and where that crater is. There's something showing right in each spot right there, and you can see that curve that goes around Kepler. It could be it right there. See, you don't see Copernicus in there yet. But you do see some stuff down here that looks familiar. You see how this is right over the Hawaiian Island chain? See right here's the Hawaiian Island chain right here, right? And it's at the 33rd degree, apparently. The center of it anyway. But right here, you see something right here. That pattern fitting in there somewhat. And right in here, something. I'm just seeing something. See how this is black right here? This is darker black. This is a drawing, anyways. It's not a real good image to use. It does work. Anyways, let me just show you some other things that are on the Earth today. And the weather. That I noticed. Okay, let me turn it off first. Okay, so right here, you see that same size circular shape. Right here. Earlier there was a good one right here. It was a little bit better than it is now. And there's definitely an impact right here, people. Right here. Turn the weather down almost. Right here. This is the edge of it right here. There's an impact there. This is impacted too. I mean, people think that, always talking about these little meteors and meteor impacts and all them little bullshit ones. Man, if you take and stand back and look at the big picture, you will see that those are just a joke compared to what the Earth has been hit by. I'm telling you, those are a joke. Look at this. This is an impact. Another one right here in Central America. Right here in South America. Down here. Antarctica directly. If you take the Antarctica rock structure, find a picture of the Antarctica rock structure and put it with Mare Oriental Basin reversed and see what happens. See what you see. You know what I see. Oh, there's another one here too. That one I showed you just a couple weeks ago in a video. Starting to see the edge of it right there in the weather. Possibly. Oh, This one was showing itself real good earlier. It's updated since then. Right below Australia, this pattern was more circular earlier. But that's why they hide that right there. I'm going to go ahead and try to find that one that I did a long time ago. I'm going to show you that one. It should be way up, probably way up here. Here's a picture of the outer rock structure right here. I don't know what I was doing with it at the time, but put something together here. We'll see. Oh, this right here, the way that this wrapped around here, I think I had something going there. And then see this area here? Look at this. Weather's kind of fit in that area. Let me see what I saw in that day. Right here is Yellowstone. See the way it just kind of wraps around that like that? I actually think it goes down a little bit more. And then you see this area here. Look at this area. But if you line this up with Mare Oriental, I'm sure I got a line. It must be right here somewhere. It probably is right around here somewhere. Anyways, let's stick to the subject. What I was looking for here. So I can find it. Here we go. I showed this before a bunch of times. Okay, so this is the picture I saved of the North Pole one day. They only had that little spot blocked out. Right? This one. This is the one here. See Imbrium here. See that? This one's hard to show, but Copernicus being right in the center right there. This is what they hide right here. Look at this. See this? See these fingers that come out of Kepler right here? See how it's got these like rays that come off the side? That island has the same thing. This island has these lines that come out, fingers that come out like this. It's right in place. Yeah. A closer look. See this cone shape right here? This conical shape right here of Copernicus. Do the same thing right here. It's dark right here. See that line kind of. See the shape of this right here? See the shape of these things right here? Right there, the islands right there. This island has the same shape right here as this right here. So anyways, and that's not the only one that lines up with the North Pole. There's more that we put with the North Pole. That's really a nice, really revealing picture right there, if you ask me. It has all this curve, this whole pattern is there. Yeah, so, yeah. See something around the crater right there in weather. Whole pattern up here. I mean, just take a look at that. The way this curls. See how this curls around? That's a good pattern. I mean, you're not going to get the exact picture. These are clouds, but you're getting the same pattern. And that's exactly where they have that covered right now. Right there, right in the center is where that's covered. Let me show you again. Show you again. See that? Right there. That's the North Pole. That's where they have it. That's right where, look, magnetism. Opposite poles repel or attract, and The like poles repel. Okay, that's where it's going to hit more than likely most of the time is the poles, and that's the North Pole, the North Magnetic Pole right there. Okay, I got that one marked. At least I got that one marked too. But that just gives it away. I mean, that satellite is not down, people. And then check it. Here's your harp ring update here, where the harp rings that I marked, it's all lit up in green. All right, so let's see what else. So we're following that line there, huh? So this line comes down, curves, following that pretty good. And this looks like it goes. This part looks like it actually goes right there in that hole. Same shape. See this? See the shape, this outline of this part right here? Look at this crater right here. Same size, same shape. Look at that. I'm gonna move it. Go ahead and move it. Wow. Look at this area now. I don't know. Anyways, have a good day.